Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to install JioTV Go on Android. First we need to head over to the documentation of JioTV Go, go to your browser and open this link that you see, JioTV Go underscore in the middle .rabel.me. Once you are in the home section, you can go to the get started page. You will see all the instructions here, and this is for Linux, Android and Mac OS. Now before you use this command, you will need an app called Termux to run this. So head over to the Android section, and here you can download Termux from either of these are the official Termux release pages. One is from Android, another is from GitHub releases. However, I would like to use a sort of modified version of it's a Termux fork. So to download that, simply type Termux 18. Now click on this first result. Once it's loaded, scroll to the very bottom, you will see releases, click on that. Now here we will download, the first one is for ARM64 and the second one is for ARM devices. Most common will be ARM64, so mine is ARM64 as well, so I'll click on the first link. Now wait for this APK to be downloaded. Now click open, install. Once you've installed it, let's open this. It will ask for some permissions, click on allow. Now wait for this installing bootstrap packages. Now once this is done, let's head back to the documentation page. Get started. And here now you can click on this, you will see this copy icon, click on that again, the command will be copied. Now let's get back to Termux and paste this. Now click on allow for notifications. Now paste this command and simply press enter. Now, this script will automatically do everything. It will identify your architecture and install JioTV Go on Android. Now let's type the JioTV Go command. You will see command not found. This is because we need to restart this terminal so that the changes can take place. So to restart this Termux terminal, the easier way is simply press Ctrl T and press enter. You will get back the home page and click on Termux again. Now if you run JioTV Go, you will see the listed commands and you can say JioTV Go run to start the server. Right, so this was the process. This is a general process which you should use. However, in case if you get any errors, I have listed in the documentation here at this small box. If you get errors, you need to install these packages. So simply copy this command and paste there, and again run this automatic install command. All right. Now I have listed this in detail in the Android section as well. Once after installation, I always recommend you do pkg update whenever you download Termux from these pages. However, I downloaded a modified version which works fine, but if you go for that, please make sure you follow this install dependency step and use the automatic installation script again. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you have understood. If you have any further questions regarding the installation, please reach out to us on the Telegram community support group that is listed on the home page here. You can join the community by clicking this link. Thank you.